If you've been listening to subliminals for weeks, maybe months, and nothing dramatic has happened, I'm gonna tell you something you probably don't want to hear. It's not that subliminals don't work, it's that you're canceling them out. And until you fix this one thing, you could loop audio for 10 hours a day and still feel stuck. Let's talk about what's really happening. First, let's clear something up. Subliminals are not magic spells. They are repetition tools, and repetition works. That's not woo, that's neuroscience. Your brain changes through repetition. It's called neuroplasticity. The more a thought fires, the stronger that pathway gets. That's basic cognitive science. But here's the problem. Most people listen to affirmations like, I am feminine, my body is changing, my chest is growing, my hormones are aligning. And then 5 minutes later, they look in the mirror and think, nothing's happening. I still look the same. This isn't working. Why am I like this? Do you see the issue? You're feeding your subconscious two completely opposite instructions in the same hour. That's like pressing the gas and the brake at the same time, and then wondering why the car isn't moving. Let's be honest, a lot of people in this niche are hyper-focused on results. You listen to a breast growth subliminal, then immediately check your chest. You listen to a voice subliminal, then record yourself. You listen to a hormone alignment subliminal, then obsessively scan your body for signs. That constant checking sends one loud message to your subconscious: I don't believe this. And belief matters more than people realize. Studies in expectancy theory show that belief in an outcome significantly influences behavioral follow-through and perception of results. Even placebo research proves the mind can alter physical experiences based on expectation. But here's the twist. If you expect it not to work, your brain will look for proof that it isn't working. That's called confirmation bias. Your mind filters reality based on what you already believe. So if your dominant belief is, this won't work for me, your brain will gather evidence to support that. Here's the shift. You have to align your behavior with the identity you're trying to become. Not obsessively, not dramatically, just consistently. If you're listening to feminization subliminals, but constantly speaking harshly about yourself, that's misalignment. If you're listening to breast growth affirmations, but internally criticizing your body every day, that's misalignment. If you're listening to confidence subliminals, but avoiding every situation that would require confidence, that's misalignment. The subconscious doesn't respond just to audio. It responds to repetition of thought, emotion, and behavior. So if your daily behavior contradicts your subliminal, your behavior will win, because it's louder. A lot of people think, maybe I just need to listen more. So they loop the audio all night. They play it in the background 6 hours a day. But here's the uncomfortable truth. One aligned action is more powerful than 5 hours of passive listening, because action creates identity. There's real psychological research showing that behavior shapes belief, not just the other way around. When you act in alignment with something, your brain updates your self-concept. So if you want subliminals to work faster, you need to give your brain real-world proof. Small proof, simple proof, consistent proof. Let's make this practical. If you're listening to feminine embodiment subliminals, start speaking to yourself gently. Adjust your posture. Move with intention. Choose clothes that make you feel aligned, even in private. If you're listening to breast growth subliminals, stop aggressively checking every hour. Massage gently if that feels affirming. Wear bras or tops that reinforce the identity shift. If you're listening to hormone alignment subliminals, support your body with sleep, hydration, stress reduction, because stress literally disrupts hormone balance. That's not spiritual, that's biology. Cortisol interferes with multiple hormone pathways. So if you're anxious, doom scrolling, and self-attacking all day, you're working against your own goals. This is where most people sabotage themselves. They want visible results in days, and when they don't see them, they spiral. But here's something grounded and real. Physical shifts take time. Even medically supervised transitions take months to show visible changes. Your body is not a light switch. It's a system, and systems adapt gradually. If you keep digging up a seed to check if it's growing, it won't grow. You don't plant a seed and then scream at the soil. You water it. You leave it alone. You trust the process. Subliminals are seeds. Your behavior is the soil. Another reason people stall is because they stack 12 different subliminals. Voice, chest, face, waist, hormones, confidence, skin, height, everything at once. Your subconscious thrives on clarity. When you scatter your focus, you scatter reinforcement. Pick one main objective for 30 days, just one, and align your thoughts and behaviors around it. You'll be shocked how much smoother things feel. It feels slow because you're measuring progress by visible change, but the first changes are internal. Your reactions soften, your self-talk shifts, your resistance lowers, your body tension decreases. Those are signs, but most people ignore them because they want dramatic external proof. Transformation starts subtle, then compounds. Subliminals don't fail. Inconsistency does. Self-doubt does. Contradictory behavior does. If you listen for 30 minutes and then mentally tear yourself down for 10 hours, the 10 hours will win. So here's the rule. Match the audio with behavior. Lower internal resistance. Stop checking obsessively. Act like the version of you who already believes it's working. That identity shift alone changes everything. If you've been frustrated, you're not broken. You just needed alignment. So starting today, pick one goal, stop obsessively checking, support your body, correct your self-talk, and stay consistent for 30 days. Then evaluate. Not daily, not hourly, 30 days. Subliminals don't work until you do this, but once you do, everything speeds up.